Nico is that amazing pattern collection of bias cut dresses and tops. With side bust darts and a scoop neckline, you easily slip any of the designs over your head and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at what makes the Nico special. It's a simple pattern, but the real magic is that it's cut on the bias. Madeleine Vionnet, the couturier who invented the bias, realized that everyone made dresses that flowed in the same direction. When she turned the fabric on an angle, she discovered that it gained elasticity. When you rotate the angle of the grain to lay over the body at 45 degrees, you get this wonderful mechanical stretch. Your woven linen now behaves very similarly to a stretch fabric. Here, you see the Nico skimming the body. Watch what happens when I pull at the sides. The fabric stretches as you move and conforms to the shape of your body. The silhouette of the dress is semi-fitted with a scooped, pull-over neckline and a slight A-line fullness. This is a perfect project for a beginner who would like to add a few new skills. For the pro sewer, Nico is a great block for adding new style variations. So let's get to the details. You can see that there is this nice single row of top stitching. Taking a peek underneath, we have 2 rows of stitching that secure a narrow bias strip facing. This is such a great way to finish curved edges instead of having those big, floppy, fiddly facings. Both the neckline and armholes are very easy to adjust higher or lower to your preference. Next, we have side bust darts for shaping. A must for being able to make adjustments for a fuller bust. The fit of the waist has generous design ease for a more casual, easy feel. The side seam construction is clean finished, meaning you do not need a serger to finish the raw edges. They are turned under and top stitched. For the maxi length, we have side slits for ease of movement. Nico's fit just gets better and better over time. As you wear it and wash it more, the fit settles in so nicely, just like your favorite pair of jeans. We believe that creators are amazing and that making clothes is a superpower. So we dreamed a big dream. We wanted to give creators like you the best possible tools to realize your dreams and projects. And after 20 years of selling premium fabrics to tens of thousands of artists like you, we got a star team of experts together to make the best patterns possible. That's what you see here today. A new standard in sewing patterns that are fun, easy, and exciting to make. And along the way, we fixed a few problems you probably know all too well. Instead of fiddly tissue paper, we used a bright, white, sturdy paper that is just the right weight to pin through with your fabric but resist tearing. Now you don't have to worry about annoying creases, because the pattern arrives rolled instead of folded. And instead of folding your pattern back into an envelope, you simply roll it back into the tube or hang it freely with the pattern hook provided. We also got rid of confusing, overlapping lines. To keep things clean, each size is indicated with a solid line in a unique color. This way, you can easily blend sizes or trace off your desired size. Now, many of us know that commercial patterns, as wonderful as they are, usually don't fit as well as our ready-to-wear clothes. That is because most of the big pattern companies use size charts that are well over 50 years old. They did this for convenience, and many assume that our bodies grow proportionally between sizes. Of course, today we know better. Our bodies have changed in those 50 years, and the latest 3D body scan data supports this. Fit, proper fit, is all about shape, not measurements, and that's why we make up to 20 fit samples for every style, testing and fine-tuning them on real women who represent our real customers. And if you ever have any questions about your pattern, complimentary email support is always included. Going back to Nico, the drape of the bias cut is very comfortable to wear with natural ease and stretch. Nico is the perfect dress pattern collection for soft touch garments that you can dress up with jackets, light knit sweaters, cardigans, or chunky jewelry. Includes 4 lengths from cami to maxi. The maxi and short dress are great worn alone, or layered with a blouse. The tunic works wonderfully with pants. Sew the Nico camisole in a dozen colors, to wear with pants and skirts or layered under other tops and jackets. Every item in the collection was made using our fabrics, which we also manufacture, so you can be sure they'll work every time. We also know that many of our valued customers sew not just for themselves, but also run a business. And that's why I'm excited to let you know that this pattern comes license-free, so you can use it however you like. And in case you're not absolutely madly in love with your sewing pattern collection, you have 30 days to return it for a 100% money-back guarantee. Are you ready to get started? Order yours now